monster truck.
Let's stand by the wheel.
This is where they build the monster trucks.
I remember everything. Because every time I go see something really fun, I get stuck in my head then I remember it. What's this thing? On your mark, go! Daddy, the truck! I told you not to park there. We are heading towards the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel in Virginia. We're over the ocean. We're over the ocean.
It's the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel over Virginia.
Are we going in that tunnel, Daddy?
I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under. One step away till you hear what I'm saying. Sounds like thunder. And the clouds are closing in. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it.
Hey, we about to go under the tunnel.
It's over there.
Hey, we're going under the tunnel. The tunnel.
Whoa! Adri, tunnel. Underneath the ocean.
That's awesome.
That's awesome. I said I barely makes it. Holy cow. Adri, tunnel. I see the light at the end of the tunnel. Again? Is that cool? Birdie. What if that's how the tunnel looks like?
There's no more.
No
What?
more?
Another
Tunnel?
one?
Yeah, more.
More tunnel? Uh-oh, here we go.
No.
If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener than
Eastern shore of Virginia Walking Center. That's where we're at.
I turn my head and hold it high. It's making me shiver. He's not like you, don't want him to. He's more like the river. Growing stronger. When we're alone, there's no you in the picture. Keep my number. Isn't how I want it to. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener than
Hi. Adri. Up or high? Sandy Point State Park.
What do you want to see? You want to see the White House?
Yeah. I see a pink one. Fort Washington KOA. KOA. We do stay here for 2 nights, and there's a playground here, and there's a pool here, and there's a bouncing thing at the playground.
Wow.
Making pizza today.
Pizza. Did you like pizza too? All right, Milano gets a thumbs up.
The girl's free cake stinks. Small girl, big world, let's travel it. I'm the Banjoe Traveler. Follow us on all adventures by subscribing to the channel. See you out there.